Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia to replace camera recording entirely. Yeah, if you want to create professional videos without ever setting up a camera, lights, or a microphone, this method is perfect because honestly, AI presenters can deliver polished, human-like presentations that save time and simplify production. So first, sign up or log in to your Synthesia account. Click Create Video and choose an AI presenter that matches the tone and style you want for your video. You can customize their appearance, voice, and language, making it feel like a real on-camera presentation. Next, prepare your script. Yeah, write clear, engaging, and structured text, and Synthesia will automatically convert it into natural-sounding speech, eliminating the need to record audio separately. After that, select a template and background. You can use slides, branded visuals, or stock images to enhance your message and make your video look professional without filming a single scene. Also, add captions, scene transitions, and subtle animations. Yeah, these elements help convey your message clearly and keep viewers engaged, just like a high-quality recorded video would. And yeah, preview your video before finalizing. So, once satisfied, render and download it in high quality, ready to upload to YouTube, social media, or your business platform without ever touching a camera. Finally, experiment with different AI voices, presenters, and visuals. Most of the time, using Synthesia this way allows creators to produce professional videos quickly, efficiently, and fully camera-free. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.